Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for another exciting virtual art lesson here at the Comanche Virtual Art Room. I'm here at my daughter's bedroom for us to do today. Hey, did you get a chance to make Play-Doh? If you haven't had a chance to see that video and do this at home, if you don't have any, mine still works pretty good. I've got it still working here. It works very pliable. So if you haven't had a chance to go see that video and try it out, it doesn't take a lot of materials. Go have fun with that one. But today we're going to create this blind contour drawing. It's meant for 4th, 5th, and 6th graders, but hey, any level can try it. All you need are very few basic materials, I'm in my daughter's room, so I've got a little hard thing to work on. You basically just need paper and some sort of drawing materials, pencils or Sharpie. I'm going to do it in Sharpie. Whatever you have to color with, it works easy. Now, in the world of art, a contour drawing means to draw its outside edge. Google Van Gogh Dove. He did it a lot. It's just a simple outside drawing. You're not really concerned with too many inside details or real specific things on the inside, but a blind contour drawing can be humorous. It's where you don't get to look at your paper at all. You don't look at the paper at all. You only look at the object that you're drawing. That could be a tree, a portrait, a dog, I guess if he doesn't move too much. It could be anything, a flower, a car. But today we're going to do a blind contour portrait of ourselves. Now, you do need a mirror of some sort. If you don't have a mirror, you can use something like I did. I just turned my camera and turned it so I could backwards where I could see myself in the picture. You could use your phone as well to see, ooh, look at where's my face? Where is it? There it is. You could see yourself. So you just need a camera. Now the trick is you're looking only at the camera itself or the mirror. You are not looking at your paper at all. Now for me, it's going to be a little challenging because I'm actually going to hold my paper up and show you how to do it. I am only going to look in the mirror, so you'll see me not looking at the camera at all. So when you start, you just stare at the object. Let me make myself a little critique here. Woo-hoo, Miss Hawes, yay. So a little critique here. You are going to look at the object and draw. Let's see how good I get by just staring at myself and drawing my blind contour. I am not looking at the paper at all. I am just looking at myself in the mirror and trying to connect what I am seeing without looking at my paper. I think I got an ear over here and an ear over here. Oh, I'm going to try my glasses. Let's see how I do. Now, I did this in college. It was really pretty kind of hard to do. We did it with shapes and ourselves. But there I am. There I drew. Woo! Not too bad. Boy, do I have some big, big glasses. But I got them pretty close together. My neck wasn't too far off, so that's pretty good. I forgot to draw my bangs, so I look like I'm a bald man up there. Oh, well. But this is the fun part, blind. You can color it in if you want to, or just have fun practicing looking only at the object. You say, well, why? Why do they do this type of artwork, Miss Hawes? Because they want you to train your eye to connect with your hand and your art paper. And it's kind of like those of you who are really good at playing games and doing that little video remote part thing, that's what helps, is it connects your hand and your eye all together. And in the visual art world, we call that blind contour. If you do just a contour, you get to look back and forth at your paper and the object yourself. But I'd like for you to try this blind contour. If you have it fun, just for fun time and just for a moment you're bored, go on and watch this video and make a blind contour drawing. And again, have fun. If you'd like to send it to me, don't forget that Teresa McIntyre at smsd.org. I would love to see your pictures and I'll respond back to you. This video will be on Google Classroom as well for you. Have fun.